सर नाम से नहीं मालूम, क्वेश्चन देख के।
हाँ, क्वेश्चन देख के तो आप तुरंत समझ जाओगे। चलो, a syllogism is a kind of logical argument that applies deductive reasoning to arrive at a conclusion based on two or more propositions, statements that are asserted or assumed to be true. Now ये तो definition है, आप ये छोड़ दो, ये देखो। Syllogism में generally ये इस type का रहता है। All dogs are animals. All animals are mortal. Therefore, all dogs are mortal. Statement one, this is the first statement. And this is the second statement. And this is the conclusion. Statement one को we call as major premise. Statement two is called minor premise. And final conclusion is conclusion. अगर मैं इस statement में देखूं, major premise में देखूं, then dogs is the major premise. Okay? Because इसका major premise का जो term है which comes into conclusion also, that is called major term. So major premise का dog is coming into conclusion also. So this is major term. Okay. And minor premise का जो term conclusion में आता है, that is called minor term. So mortal is coming here. So it is minor term. और कौन गायब हो गया? This animal went away. This animal went away. This is not in conclusion. So this is called middle term. So dogs is predicate of conclusion, that is major term. Subject of conclusion, mortal, minor term. Here minor term is mortal, major term is dog, because dog is also coming in the conclusion, mortal is also coming in the conclusion. But animal is not coming, so this is called middle term, which vanishes in the conclusion. So अगर मैं इसको एक सेंटेंस की तरह पढ़ूं, एवरी डॉग इज एनिमल, एवरी एनिमल इज मॉर्टल, देयरफॉर एवरी डॉग इज मॉर्टल, ऐसे भी पढ़ेंगे तो बहुत आंसर आपको मिल जाएगा। आप पढ़ोगे तो बहुत आंसर मिल जाएगा एक सेंटेंस में अगर करोगे तो। ओके ओके, नाउ these are three. This is statement one. Okay, this is statement two, and this is conclusion. Now can you say which is the major term in this?
Metal.
नहीं, मेजर प्रीमाइस कौन सा है? वन है, फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज मेजर प्रीमाइस, सेकंड स्टेटमेंट माइनर प्रीमाइस। मेजर प्रीमाइस का कौन सा टर्म कंक्लूजन में आ रहा है?
Conductor of electricity.
Yes, so this is your major term. And minor, this is your minor premise. Minor premise का कौन सा आ रहा है इधर? Copper. So this is your minor term. And metal दोनों में गायब हो जा रहा है. So metal is the middle term. So major is electricity or conductor of electricity, that is okay. Minor is copper and metal is middle, which vanishes. Okay. It's just the same thing, repetition. I'll go quickly again this. Dog, cow and horse ka will show the relationship like this. Dog, cow and horse. All three are separate. If you have animal also, then animal will encircle this whole thing. All will belong to animal, but among themselves there is no relationship. Okay. Pen, pencil, stationery. All pens are stationary. All pencil are stationary, but no pen is pencil. And some stationery can be pen and some stationery can be pencil. Now this is the relationship. Unit 10, 100. All units are tens. All tens are hundreds. Okay. So ये एक के दूसरा all का relationship है. Women, sisters, mothers. Sisters and mother. Some sisters can be mothers or some mothers can be sisters, but all of them are women. So women is outside. Student, boys and girls. So students में boys are there, girls there. Girl and boy will never intersect. They will be outside. So स्टूडेंट में बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स आ गए, एंड boys students athletes, now ये again common हो गया, all three will be there, there will be intersection and all those things will happen. Okay, और है lion, carnivorous, cows, it is the same thing. What we did earlier was, I think, tiger, carnivorous and cows. So this is the same thing. Cows is outside this, all carnivorous and all lions are carnivorous. Some carnivorous are lions, some carnivorous animals can be tigers, some carnivorous animals can be hyena, और इस तरह से हो सकते हैं. And dogs, animals and flesh eaters. All dogs are animals, so dogs छोटा रहेगा, animals बड़ा रहेगा. All dogs are animals, and some dogs are carnivorous. So, हर dog नहीं खाता, छोटा छोटा dog जो होता है वो दूध रोटी ही खाता है. Okay. So some animals are carnivorous. This is the area where it will show some animals are carnivorous. This area shows some dogs are carnivorous, and this area shows there are some carnivorous who are not dog and who are also not animal, but they eat flesh. Men. Okay. Generally carnivorous को कहा जाता है कि आदमी का मीट खाना, but that is not, अगर आप flesh eating कहोगे तो ये हो जाता है, flesh eaters. So let's now move to straightaway syllogism. Avoid using common sense knowledge, as syllogism questions usually state unnatural statements. For example, all bats are cats, all cats are dogs. इसका कोई सेंस नहीं है. सब चमगादड़ बिल्ली है, सब बिल्लियां कुत्ते हैं. इसका कोई कंक्लूजन, कोई मतलब सेंस नहीं है. So these are senseless things. So don't try to find meaning in this anytime. Let's solve one. Using Venn diagram solves syllogism problems. Okay, we'll use Venn diagrams. उससे कभी आपकी गलती आप गलत नहीं करेंगे. और अभी जो आप सीक्वेंस सीखेंगे, इस सीक्वेंस में जाएंगे तो ये प्रॉब्लम में कभी गलती नहीं होगी. Of course, there are shortcuts which we'll be talking about. So statements are: no door is dog, and all the dogs are cats. There are two statements, and there are four conclusions given. You have to say which is the right conclusion for these two statements. अब कैसे करेंगे? See, mark this. It is written here non-brainer. Non-brainer diagram जिसमें आप दिमाग नहीं लगाते हो, एकदम दिमाग नहीं लगाओ, सीधा बस no door is dog, all the dogs are cats. Okay, ठीक है, dog यहाँ कर दिया, dog के ऊपर cat बिठा दिया. Okay, this is my cat, this is my dog, and no door is dog. So door को बाहर कर दिया. No door, ये है, ये मेरा non-brainer diagram है. And there is Brenner diagram. के अब आप थोड़ा दिमाग लगा रहे हैं, सोच रहे हैं, भाई ऐसा तो है, ये बोला है कि no door is dog, but some door can be cats. ये तो कहीं नहीं बोला है, तो possibility है कि some doors can be cats. तो ये figure आ जाएगा. And this is called Brenner diagram. ये clear हुआ non-Brenner and Brenner?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So once you make this Brenner and non-Brenner diagram, then you can use this table and put the first conclusion here. No door is cat. Let's see the non-Brenner diagram. This is non-Brenner is given by NB and Brenner is B. So non-Brenner diagram है, sorry?
सर ये जो डायग्राम बना है मतलब कैट्स के अंदर डॉग्स किया है और सर स्टेटमेंट दिया ऑल द डॉग्स आर कैट्स.
हाँ, तो ये
डायग्राम उल्टा नहीं बन सकता सर?
नहीं, all the dogs are cats. उल्टा कैसे बनेगा? all the cats are dogs नहीं है. Some cats can be dogs. ये नहीं दिया हुआ है तुमको. All the dogs are cats implies that some cats are dogs. Always all the dogs are cats implies some cats are dogs. All the cats are dogs होता तब अंदर में cats आ जाता, बाहर में dogs रहता.
Yes sir.
Okay, so no door is cat. This is the first conclusion. Non-Brenner diagram में आप देखो no door is cat. Yes, door यहाँ है और cat यहाँ है. No door is cat. So non-Brenner diagram में ये true है. ब्रेनर डायग्राम में यू सी दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज योर डोर, राइट? सम डोर आर कैट्स, ब्रेनर डायग्राम में दिस पोर्शन, some door are cats, so no door is cat is not true in Brenner. Okay, no cat is door, again same thing, no door is cat, no cat is door, यहाँ आपका y आएगा और यहाँ n आएगा. Some cats are dogs, see here all dogs are cats, so इतना portion जो cat का है they are dogs also because ये common है. आप athlete वाला देखो, all athletes were student, but there were 15 students who were athletes. 5 students were not athletes. So some students were athletes. Similarly, some cats are dogs. So some cats are dogs. आप दोनों में देखो, दोनों में ये yes रहेगा. And all the cats are dogs? नहीं, some cats are dogs, not all the cats are dogs. दोनों में n आएगा. जब आपने, हाँ
सर मतलब डॉग्स और कैट्स का नंबर इक्वल नहीं हो सकता है?
लिखा हुआ नहीं है ना तुम्हारे पास?
अच्छा,
वो नहीं लिखा हुआ ना कि it is not given that dogs are cats, dogs are equal to cats.
अच्छा,
ये दिया नहीं है तो आप एज्यूम नहीं करो.
ओके ओके.
अगर दिया हो तब आप लोगो.
ठीक है सर.
Okay, so in this if you see this now, आप ये डायग्राम ये देखो पूरा जो आया आपका, इसमें दोनों में जो y है that is the only answer. दोनों में जो y आ रहा है Brenner and non-Brenner, that is the answer. So the answer will be some cats are dogs. This is the only conclusion which can come out from this. Clear हुआ? अभी और बहुत problems हैं.
Yes sir.
अंत तक एकदम क्लियर हो जाएगा तुम. Some tables are TVs, some TVs are radios. Now this is what two statements are there, and there are 4 conclusions given. You have to say which is the right conclusion based on these 2 statements, for these 2 statements. Okay, so let's see this. Non-Brenner and Brenner बना रहे हैं. तो non-Brenner में क्या कर रहा है? Some tables are TVs. So this is my tables and this is my TV. Okay, so some tables are TVs and some TVs are radios. So this is my radios. ये मेरा non-Brenner diagram बन गया. ज़्यादा कुछ दिमाग ही नहीं लगाया. अब मैं थोड़ा दिमाग लगाता हूँ कि some tables are TVs तो दिया है, some TVs are radios तो दिया है, but ये नहीं दिया है कि some radios can be tables also. ये तो नहीं दिया. हो सकता है some radios are tables, and it is also possible that some radios are tables and TVs together. So this becomes your Brenner diagram. ये क्लियर हुआ? नॉन ब्रेनर एंड ब्रेनर में, नॉन ब्रेनर में बस सीधे जो दिया है वही स्टेटमेंट लिया और लिख दिया, कर दिया. ब्रेनर में थोड़ा दिमाग लगाया. अच्छा ये भी हो सकता है, ये भी हो सकता है. So based on this, if you do, some tables are radios. Okay, fourth chip गया लगता है. In this all 4, if you see, none of them will give you both y. Okay, just one sec. Yeah, now it is okay. Just one sec. Yes, now all the 4 are there. You see this, the first one, non-Brenner. If you see non-Brenner here, in this, some tables are radios. No, non-Brenner में नहीं है, मगर Brenner में है, possible है. Some radios are tables. Non-Brenner में no है, but Brenner में yes है. All the radios are TVs. ये दोनों में NN है, all नहीं है, सब में some का combination है. And all TVs are tables. No. So none of them are the conclusion for the first two. And you can, one thing you can understand, we'll see shortcuts. Sum plus sum will always give you, there is no result when sum plus sum are there. Okay, we'll see that later. Okay, this question. Some questions are answered, some answers are writers, all the writers are poets. Now, let's see this. Non-brainer diagram, simple. ये है all the writers are poets. So, ये writers हैं और बाहर वाले poet हैं, ये simple है. All the writers are poet. तो ठीक है भाई, all writers are poet, writer poets के अंदर आ जाएगा पूरा. Some answers are writers. So, this is my answers. This is my answers. This one. Some answers are writers. तो वो poet को भी cover करेगा. Since some answers are writers, so some answers can be poet also. This portion. And some questions are answers. This is my question. And this is my answer. So some questions are answered. This is my non-brainer. When I come to brainer, then starts. All the writers are poets. ये तो बहुत, ये है, देखिए ये दोनों. This is not an issue, but ये बहुत clear है. But the other two में थोड़ा problem है. Okay. Some answers, जहां भी some आता है, there is a problem. Some answers are writers. Okay. Some answers can be poets also. Some answers can be questions also. I don't know. Similarly, some questions are answered. Some questions can be writers also. Some questions can be poet also. So based on this, this is my one brainer diagram. And the other brainer diagram will be something like this. I mean, you can have plenty of brainer diagrams, okay? But बहुत ज्यादा नहीं बनाना चाहिए. दो में बनाइए, आपको आंसर मिल जाएगा. थर्ड वन की जरूरत नहीं होगी. मतलब एक नॉन ब्रेनर,
ब्रेनर डायग्राम कोई भी एक बनाया तो भी चलेगा.
हाँ, एक नॉन ब्रेनर एक ब्रेनर बनाओगे तो मिल जाता है आंसर. अब बहुत जगह ब्रेनर बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है. दैट विल सी नाउ ऑल शॉर्टकट्स में. सो ये मैं सबसे लॉन्ग कट आपको बता रहा हूँ. अब इसको छोटा करता जाऊंगा. So this is my third brainer diagram. Based on this, right, some writers are answers. Non-brainer diagram में some writers are answers. इसको मैं clear करूँ. Some writers are answers. What is it? This portion. So this is true. B1 also some writers are answers. This one, this portion. Okay. In third, also some writers are answers possible. Okay. Some poets are questions. Some poet are questions. नहीं है. यहाँ poet ये है and ये question है. ये दोनों कहीं भी touch नहीं कर रहे हैं. So यहाँ नहीं है. But इन दोनों में है. Okay. So you get NYY. All the questions are poet. ये किसी में नहीं होगा because question सबसे बाहर का circle है. So this will not be there. And some poets are answers. तीनों में होगा. यहाँ आप देखो some poets are answers. कौन सा होगा? ये answer है और ये poet है. So this is the portion which is some poets are answers. यहाँ भी some poets are answers. Poet बाहर वाला है. Answer ये है. So this whole thing will be belong to poet and answers. Similarly यहाँ भी हो जाएगा some poets are answer because outside वाला poet है. So if A is all A is B, then some B is A. This is implied. If all A is B, then some B is A. If all tigers are animals, then some animals are tigers. Yeah, this is how it is read. So if you see this four, all four, you'll find that first and fourth has all Y. And this way, first and fourth is the conclusion for these three statements. Okay, आगे बढ़े. Okay, now one thing, always review the statements and the conclusion before solving syllogism problem. ये हमेशा पहले आप देख लें. और दूसरी चीज जो most important है, if no is present in the conclusion, then Brenner diagram is must. Otherwise, you don't need to make Brenner diagram. Okay? अगर आप इसमें देखिए, ये conclusion में कहीं भी no नहीं, no का मतलब क्या हुआ मैं आपको बताता हूँ. Let's go here. first one, when you see this is no, there's a no in conclusion. There are two no's in conclusion. Even one no is there in conclusion, then you have to make a Brenner diagram. Otherwise, agar nahi hai, so you don't need to make a Brenner diagram. For in this you don't need to make a Brenner diagram. आप नॉन ब्रेनर डायग्राम का ही आंसर देखें, नॉन ब्रेनर डायग्राम ही केवल कंसिडर करें, ब्रेनर को नहीं कंसिडर करें. आप देखें ऑल एन है, कोई वाई नहीं है. There is no need of making Brenner diagram for this, because conclusion में no नहीं है. Similarly here, there is no in conclusion. So you don't need to make a Brenner diagram. Any Brenner diagram, non-Brenner diagram से ही आपका मिल जाएगा. Non-Brenner diagram आप देखो, ये y है और ये y है. So जहां भी non-Brenner diagram में y मिला, that is the answer. So this is the shortcut. ये आप ध्यान रखेंगे इसमें. जहां नो है कंक्लूजन में तभी ब्रेनर डायग्राम बनाना जरूरी है, अदरवाइज ब्रेनर डायग्राम बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है. नॉन ब्रेनर डायग्राम से ही आंसर मिल जाएगा. Okay. Now these are some shortcuts. Please note this, that there is a format in which syllogism, generally there is a format in which it is written. All cats are all bats are cats, all cats are dogs. Now you see here, this is written like this, as like we did earlier, major and minor premise and all. It is written like this, all bats are cats, all cats are dogs. ये फॉर्मेट में अगर आपका है स्टेटमेंट, दो स्टेटमेंट अगर ये फॉर्मेट में है, वेर ऑल बैट्स आर कैट्स एंड ऑल कैट्स आर, ये जो कि यहाँ लास्ट में आता है फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट में और यहाँ पहले आता है सेकंड स्टेटमेंट में, then you can apply these shortcuts for two statements. So all plus all will always result in all. And how do you do? All bats are cat, all cats are dogs. Cat को आप cancel कर दो, because this becomes what? This becomes minor term. And answer will be all bats are dogs. Clear हुआ ये?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So all plus no will result in no. All bats are cat, no cat is dog will result as no bat is dog. All plus some, there is no conclusion. All bats are cats, some cats are dog, no conclusion. Some bats are cats and all cats are dogs, you'll get some bats are dogs. So some plus all will result in some. Middle term, this you can just cancel, and some bats you can take, some bats, sorry. Some bats को ये पकड़ के यहाँ ले आओ और यहाँ रख दो, but some bats are dogs. That is how answer can be formed. But it is only when the statements are in this format. ये format रहना बहुत जरूरी है, तब आपका आंसर इसमें आप शॉर्टकट लगा सकते हो. Some plus some, no conclusion. Some radios are TV, some TVs are table. You remember, we did not have any conclusion. So some plus some, there will not be any conclusion. Some plus no will have a conclusion, something like some not. Some bats are cats, no cat is dog. So some plus no will become some bats are not dog. Yes, are we there? Hello, are we there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Good. अभी थोड़ा गायब हो गया था कुछ सिग्नल इसलिए. So some plus no will give you some not. So some bats are cat, no cat is dog will give you some bats are not dog, some not. No plus no, there will be no conclusion. No bat is cat, no cat is dog. दो अलग अलग सर्कल हो जाएगा. बस, this is how it will be represented. No plus all, some not reversed. Reverse का मतलब क्या हुआ? यहाँ देखिए, some bats are not dog. Bats पहले है and dog बाद में है. But reverse का मतलब क्या हुआ? Some dogs are not bats. ये reverse हो गया. Bats इधर चला गया लास्ट में, bats यहाँ चला गया and dogs यहाँ आ गया. So this is reversed. Some dogs are not bats. No plus some will give you a result. Some dogs are not bats. It's also reversed. Okay. And fine. This is another A. This is simple. You can cancel out common terms in two statements given. Then on the remaining terms, apply the syllogism rules. So some dogs are goats. All goats are cows. Some plus all is some. हमने पहले देखा some plus all will be some. Some plus all is some, this one, last one. Okay, so some plus all is some. So it will be some. I will cancel goats and goats, which is common. And then the answer will be some dogs are cows. Basically, ऐसे लेके ऐसे. Some dogs are cows. So finally, conclusion will become some dogs are cows. And one thing you should remember, all and some relation क्या है? All A or B also implies that some A or B being a subset and some B or A. Okay, all A or B also implies that some A or B and some B or A. And some plus some means some A or B also implies some B or A. And no plus no implies no A or B implies that no B or A. It's standard. Now there is something called priority ordering. So before that, let's see this. Some bats are cats, all cats are dogs. Now if you see this, this is in the standard format. Okay, the middle term is cats. Here middle term is at the end. Okay, and here middle term is at the beginning. So अगर ऐसा है, तो you will take sum and all. Sum plus all is also always equal to sum. So I can write sum. And I will cancel out cats. So some bats are dogs. This will be the answer. Some bats are dogs. Okay, pretty easy. But now let's see this one. All cats are bats. Some cats are dogs. Now this is not in the same format. See the first one and the second one. Here cat is here and cat is here. But here cats is here and cat is here. They are not in the same format. And both these statements or major premise and minor premise, the terms are the first terms. So this is not in the same format. So you can't apply that rule here. The rules which we have seen. Okay. So for that, there is some reordering you can do. So reorder the statement. What you do is take this here and bring this in the second line. Okay. So it becomes some cats are dogs, all cats are bats. Just usko change kar diya. And the second one, some cats are dogs also implies that some dogs are cats. Some cats are dogs also implies that some dogs are cats. ये यहाँ लिख दिया, change कर दिया. Now if you see this, it has become the same format. Cat यहाँ है और cat यहाँ है. This is same as this. And if it is same, then it becomes some plus all is some. Cats cancels out and some dogs are bats. That will be the answer. Okay, ये सब shortcuts हैं और tricks हैं. Clear हुआ यहाँ तक? Because इसके So is it clear up till now? Because after this we'll start now problems.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
चलो अब आप लोग प्रॉब्लम करते जाओ, मैं एक एक करके. Just one second. इसका बताइए क्या होगा conclusion? Some actors are singers, all the singers are dancers. Now this is in the same format.
Some actors are.
Some actors are dancers.
Very good. आप अगर इसको ये भी बनाओगे, see there is यहाँ पे no है ना? No है तो आपको इसमें ब्रेनर डायग्राम भी बनाना होगा, क्योंकि कंक्लूजन में नो है. तो अगर आप नॉन ब्रेनर डायग्राम बनाते हो तो दिस इज योर नॉन ब्रेनर डायग्राम. Okay, actors, dancers, singers. जैसे दिया some actors are singers and all the singers are dancers. So all the singers are dancers. ये छोटा इसका सर्कल हो गया और ये बड़ा सर्कल हो गया. एंड सम एक्टर्स आर सिंगर्स, so some actors are singers को आप कवर कर दो। यहाँ पे ये ब्रेनर डायग्राम हो गया। तो इससे भी जब आप सॉल्व करोगे तो यही आंसर आएगा। सम एक्टर्स आर डांसर्स, बिकॉज सम एक्टर्स आर डांसर्स अगर आप देखते हो तो दोनों में सम एक्टर्स आर डांसर्स, इसमें ये है एंड इसमें ये है, सम एक्टर्स आर डांसर्स, दोनों दोनों में ट्रू है। नो सिंगर इज एक्टर, न इसमें ट्रू है न इसमें ट्रू है। Okay. All the harmoniums are instruments, all the instruments are flutes.
All the harmoniums are flutes.
All the harmoniums are, हाँ, very good. ये all है. So the innermost circle, this one is instrument. इसके ऊपर all the harmoniums are, sorry, ये है harmoniums. This is harmoniums. इसके ऊपर वाला this is your instrument. And finally this is your flutes. So all the flutes are instrument नहीं होगा. Some flutes are instrument, that is correct, but not all. So all harmoniums are flutes is the right answer. This one, अब ये आप मार्क करो, ये उस फॉर्मेट में नहीं है। पेन्स पेन दोनों ये है। So you got the answer?
Sir, some pens are pencils.
Some pens are papers.
Some pens are paper, some pens are pencils. और कुछ? दोनों ने आंसर दे दिया, दोनों आंसर राइट है इसका। ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Okay, चलो। Some dogs are bats, some bats are cats. अरे ये तो सबसे इजी हो गया। इसका क्या होगा?
No conclusion.
वेरी गुड, नो कंक्लूजन। आप इसको डायग्राम बना के भी देख लो, कोई कंक्लूजन नहीं आएगा इसका। सम डॉग्स आर बैट्स, सम बैट्स आर कैट्स, बिकॉज ये सेम फॉर्मेट में है, इसलिए आप एकदम अप्लाई कर सकते हो वो। सम प्लस सम इज नो कंक्लूजन। ऑल पोल्स आर ट्रीज, सम पोल्स आर होल्स।
Your video.
Yes, sorry, now it is back. थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है आज, पता नहीं।
Yes, sir.
But are you able to see this? So क्या आया इसका आंसर? Some poles are trees, some poles are all poles are trees, some poles are holes. वे उस फॉर्मेट में नहीं है, इसको प्रायोरिटी ऑर्डरिंग करो आप। देखो, आप अगर वेन डायग्राम से करोगे तो आपको आंसर मिलना ही मिलना है और सही आंसर मिलना है, इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं। प्रायोरिटी ऑर्डरिंग भी कर सकते हो।
सर इधर मतलब सम ही आना चाहिए, तो एक ही आंसर है।
हाँ, एक ही आंसर, मतलब मैं समझा नहीं। एक
सर मतलब इधर एट द एंड सम प्लस ऑल का सम ही आएगा।
हाँ,
तो
सम
फिर
प्लस ऑल विल बी सम।
So first answer.
फर्स्ट आंसर होगा।
ठीक है, ठीक है, ये इंटेलिजेंट वे ऑफ आंसरिंग है। सो यू कैन डू दिस। इसको ऊपर ले जाओ आप, सम पोल्स आर होल्स को ऊपर ले जाओ एंड सम होल्स आर पोल्स आप कर दो। सम पोल्स आर होल्स इंप्लाइज दैट सम होल्स आर पोल्स। तो सम होल्स आर पोल्स, ये आप इसको यहाँ ले जाओ टॉप में, और पोल्स को इधर ले आओ, होल्स को इधर ले आओ, तो आपको मैच कर जाएगा। सम प्लस ऑल से सम। आप इसको यही चीज मिलेगा आप अगर इसको वेन डायग्राम से बनाएंगे तो। ओके, नेक्स्ट वन। ऑल द बुक्स आर पेंसिल्स, नो पेंसिल इज इरेजर।
No book is eraser.
Very good. No book is eraser. अब यहाँ 3 स्टेटमेंट आ गए हैं. Some rats are cats, some cats are dogs, no dog is cow. No cow is cat, no dog is rat, some cats are rats. Now यहाँ आप वो शॉर्टकट नहीं कर सकते हो. 3 है, वो 2 के लिए ही था वैलिड, 3 के लिए तो वैलिड नहीं है वो. So let's see, इसे हम करेंगे इससे. Now what does it say? Some rats are cats. ये बना दिया. Some rats are cats. Some cats are dogs. ये बना दिया. ये नॉन ब्रेनर बना रहा है. And no dog is cow. So cow and dog में कोई रिलेशन नहीं करके cow को बाहर कर दिया. This is non-brainer diagram. ब्रेनर अगर हम करें तो no dog is cow ये क्लियर है, बाकी सब में क्लियर नहीं है. So cats, dogs and rats में रिलेशनशिप रहेगा. ये 3 सर्कल जो इंटरसेक्ट कर रहे हैं, ये 3 सर्कल, सॉरी ये 3 सर्कल जो भी आप ले लो, बट एक लास्ट जो काउज का सर्कल है ये डॉग के साथ इंटरसेक्ट नहीं करेगा, बिकॉज ये क्लियर यहाँ दिया हुआ है कि नो डॉग इज काउ. So this will not intersect with dogs. It can intersect with rats and cats, brainer में, but not with dogs. Or brainer is necessary because there are 2 no's here. Based on this, if you solve, no cow is cat. पहला आप लोगे तो नॉन ब्रेनर डायग्राम में yes है, ब्रेनर डायग्राम में no है. Some है, some cow is cat इसमें है ब्रेनर में. No dog is rat, again the same situation. Some cats are rat, both are y. So this is the only answer here. Some cats are rats. Okay, I'll mail you the slides. So video भी रहेगा, slides भी आ जाएगा. Okay, this one. All samosa are jalebi, all jalebis are tikkis, all tikkis are barfi. Conclusion में क्या आएगा?
All samosas are barfi.
All samosas are barfi. हाँ ठीक है. और कुछ आएगा?
Yes, सब.
एक नहीं, 2 भी हो सकते हैं ना.
सब सर, सारे सब.
सब नहीं आएगा. देखिए, 2 आएगा. ऑल जलेबीज आर बर्फी, ऑल समोसाज आर बर्फी. देखो, ऑल समोसाज आर जलेबीज, तो समोसा सबसे छोटा सर्कल होगा, उसके बाहर का सर्कल जलेबी होगा. ऑल जलेबीज आर टिक्की, तो जलेबी के बाहर वाला सर्कल टिक्की होगा और टिक्की के बाहर वाला सर्कल बर्फी होगा. नाउ बेस्ड ऑन दिस, ऑल जलेबीज आर बर्फी. Yes, all jalebis are barfi. That is very correct. This circle and this circle. All jalebis are barfi. All tikkis are samosa? नहीं, tikkis बाहर का है, samosa अंदर है. So some tikkis are samosa, not all tikkis are samosa. All samosas are barfi? Yes. यहाँ भी ये samosa का है और ये barfi का है. So it is totally enclosed. All barfis are jalebi? No. Some barfi are jalebi. So these 2 will be there. Okay, this is the last one, and this problem is a problem on complementary syllogism. Okay, ये generally आता नहीं है, but फिर भी you should know complementary syllogism कैसे करते हैं. So statements are: all tables are boards, all pens are boards, all boards are papers. Conclusion: some pens are tables, some papers are pens, no pen is table. Now यहाँ no है तो इसमें ब्रेनर डायग्राम बनाना ही होगा. Let's see. Non-brainer diagram. All tables are boards. तो table boards के अंदर होगा, ये boards है और ये table है. All tables are boards. All pens are board. It will be something like this. And all boards are papers. ये दिया हुआ है तो all board papers के अंदर में आ जाएंगे. ये मेरा non-brainer हो गया. जब हमने brainer बनाया तो हाँ और तो clear है, but table and pen का relation clear नहीं है. Maybe some table are pens or some pens are tables. तो ये जो पर्टिकुलर चीज है ये हमने ब्रेनर डायग्राम में ऐड कर दिया. बाकी क्लियर है, बाकी क्लियर. ऑल पेन्स आर बोर्ड्स, all tables are boards, all boards are paper, ये clear है. But pen and table में relationship नहीं दिख रहा है, तो we have put this as a relationship in Brenner diagram. Now based on this, what happens? Some pens are tables. Non-Brenner diagram it is N, but Brenner diagram it will be Y, because this is the portion which is some tables are pens or some pens are tables. Some papers are pens. Some papers are pen, true है. Non-Brenner में and Brenner में both में. And no pen is stable. No pen is stable. It is true here, but it is not true here in Brenner diagram. Now इसमें क्या दिया है? ये 3 conclusion दिया है आपको. ये statement दिया है. This is the real thing. This is the real thing which you have to select. A, all follow. All conclusions follow. B, either 1 or 2 follow. C, either 1 or 3 and 2 follow. Only 2 follows, none follows. ये जहां पे ऐसा आ गया, this is of complementary syllogism problem. जहां इसमें से आपको select करना है A, B, C, D, E में. Conclusion नहीं बताना है, इसमें से select करना है. So there can be more than one conclusion, no conclusion, or only one conclusion. Now, if you see here on this diagram, you see from both the diagrams, we are certain. From both the diagrams, we are certain for the second one that both are Y. So this has to be there, no problems. Okay, ये तो होना ही होना है. But अगर मैं पहला वाला देखूं, तो non-Brenner diagram में ये no है, लेकिन Brenner में yes है. And third one, non-Brenner diagram में yes है और Brenner में no है. अब मैं कौन सा diagram consider करूं? I don't know at this point of time. Okay, अगर non-Brenner diagram select करता हूं तो 1 and 2 हो जाएगा. Sorry, 2 and 3 हो जाएगा. अगर Brenner diagram select करता हूं तो 1 and 2 हो जाएगा. Brenner diagram अगर select करता हूं तो ये हो जाएगा. Non-Brenner select करता हूं तो ये हो जाएगा. 2 तो रहेगा ही रहेगा, दोनों में है. So the answer here will be this one. Either 1 or 3 can follow. I am not too sure कौन सा diagram मैं लूं. So 1 और 3 दोनों में से कोई एक follow कर सकता है, और 2 तो follow करेगा ही करेगा. 2 पक्का रहेगा, और 1 और 3 follow कर सकता है. So this will be the answer. You understood this complementary syllogism?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here we end the syllogism.